Hi, my name is Avery, and today I'm going to show you how to make a silhouette of an image using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Silhouettes are easy to make and look really cool. If you're new to one of them or both, don't worry. I'm pretty new to both too, and I have found them fairly easy to get the hang of. Oh, and if you're wondering what these pictures are, they're examples of what we're going to be making today. I messed up on Yoda, but that's okay. I can always fix them some other day. To start, I'm going to close these example pictures. I'm then going to open Google Chrome and search for an image. I really like Star Wars, so I'm going to look for Star Wars pictures. Actually, scratch that. I'm going to look for pictures of Han Solo, who's my favorite character. I found the darker the background, the harder it is to make a silhouette, so I'm going to choose a picture with a light background. To make my image easier to find, I'm going to hit Command on my keyboard and left click. Go to Save Image As and give it a shorter name. Choose where you want to save it and hit Save. Once you've done that, close or minimize your browser. Open Photoshop, but don't create a new document. Push it off to the side and go to where you saved your image, or search for your image using the search function at the top of your screen. Drag the image that you saved earlier into Photoshop. The only thing we're going to do to this image in Photoshop is to get rid of the background. Even though we could use the Erase Background tool, we're not going to. It's a lot faster and easier to use the Quick Selection tool. Drag around the person or whatever your image is of. Oops, we accidentally marked a place to be erased that shouldn't be. Go to the top left of your screen and select a paintbrush with a minus. Then click the circle next to it and use the top slider to change the size. Zoom in on the image and push the border back. This is me realizing that my brush size was small to begin with. I then decided to make my brush big and then small again so you can see the differences in size. Now I have switched to the minus paintbrush tool to unselect areas that we do not want deleted. Once you're done with that, go to the bottom right of your screen and unlock the layer. Then press Delete. Click the image to get rid of the lines. Save your file with a name you can find later. Go back to File, Export a PNG. Save your image and then close Photoshop. Open Illustrator and drag the picture you just made into it. At the top of the screen, hit Image Trace. If you don't like how it came out, go to the top left of your screen and click the square button. It looks kind of like a to-do list. Under this panel, you can change it to be black and white, color, or grayscale. You can also change the threshold, which affects the detail of the image. Once you're happy with it, save it. What you do with it now is up to you. You can draw around it, put shapes around it, or leave it by itself. These silhouettes make cool wallpaper and should only be used for personal uses since we did not check the usage rights of the original image. I hope this was helpful. Good luck with your silhouette!